Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on our Euro GBP. Let's start with our trend on our daily time frame. We clearly can see that we are ranging within this level, right? That is our full trend. Our trend says we are ranging. Now, if you take a look at our current trend, which is on the 4-hour time frame, you can also see that the 4-hour time frame also says we are ranging. So that is on the main trend says we are ranging. Current trend also says we are ranging. So now this is it here, which is more visible on the 4-hour time frame. On our current trend, this is the resistance. Now on our current trend, this is the support level. So this is it. So now let's see markets come to test this level on our resistance. Once market is able to push on to test our resistance level, then we can now prepare for the sell again on AUD on Euro GBP for the day. So just subscribe and follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. Put the link in the comments.